Welcome to SweetTalkSLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist. Today is an unboxing video. So before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's get started. Today I'll be unboxing my mini objects from Bjorem Speech and Speech Tree Co. If everything goes as planned, this video will go up before June 6th, which is when they go on sale. I was able to pre-order these and they've come in the mail. I was hoping to get this video up even sooner, but I didn't get my package as early as others did. And by the time it did come in, I went out of town on a mini vacation and I am just getting around to it. So I'm going to make this video very quick. The editing will probably be a little bit off because I want to try to get this out as soon as I can in case you did not already purchase this during the pre-sale and you're considering it, but you want a closer look. Let's just get into it. I have the box here and it's small, it's tiny. I think I expected it to be in the same box that my subscriptions from Speech Tree come in, but no, of course not. It's a smaller box, which is good because that saves on shipping, right? I mean, how cute is that? One side has the Bjorem logo, the other one has the Speech Tree logo. It comes in the usual type of canvas bag that Speech Tree Co. Minis subscriptions come in, and so it's very similar. It has a drawstring so you can tie it up, and then this one has a tag. So there was nothing else in the box except for a piece of paper to kind of keep it housed in there. The little magnifying glass comes in plastic, and then all of the minis are included inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some video. You're probably already watching it now, of all of the minis that are included. And so hopefully my bag contains all of the minis. Sometimes there will be a mini missing or something broken, but you reach out and they fix it immediately, which is really great. Since I purchased this on the pre-sale, it was $34.99, and then I paid $5 for shipping. I believe the regular price for these will be $39.99. It also comes with a printable. I got really excited when the email came through about a printable. I was like, oh my goodness, is it going to be a whole list of resources just like the Speech Tree Co. subscription comes out? No, it's not. It's just going to be the mini sound cue reference guide. And so you can see it here next. I've printed it out on cardstock for now, and it has all of the images that you receive in your bag. So on a quick count, it looks like there should be 39 minis included in my bag. I'll let you know if I have them here. There are some duplicates. For example, the coughing sound has the camel sound like the original, but there is the one that came out later that has the little zombie sound, or like one that you can print out in addition to your cards. Excuse my dog, he's making a hot mess of noise. He's super itchy. He has a donut or a cone or whatever on his neck, and so he's not very happy, but he's trying to scratch himself everywhere. But I can't leave him anywhere else because he'll cry if he's not next to me. So if you hear him jingling around, I'm sorry about that. Many of the sounds that are included look exactly like the picture that is on the cue card, and then some are variations of it or similar to the image on the card. For example, the popcorn is just a bucket of popcorn, but it doesn't look exactly like the cue card. In fact, I believe this is the same popcorn that was used in her food unit whenever she had that subscription last year or the year before. But others, like the scared sound is the exact monster, or the yuck sound is the yak that's in the picture, the mad cat sound. So I really appreciate that so many of them are similar. I would have loved if they all were identical, because there's like a zipper that comes with it. Mine is a red one, I think, right? Or orange. Yes, orange. Or like the magnifying glass is larger than some of the other ones. But that's if you like Speech Tree Co.'s products, you know that there's always a variety of the different textures and materials that the minis are made, and it is no exception with this product. And so I Hope that you got a good idea of what these minis look like paired with the cards. You can rewatch this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask your questions down below. Reach out to me on Instagram. You'll probably get a faster response there, but I do respond here on YouTube as well. I am super excited. I cannot wait to use these in therapy. I'd love to know if you already have these, if you were able to get them during the pre-sale, or if you're thinking about the product when they go on their regular sale on June 6th. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, ring that notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly uploads. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.